How to turn the firewall on and off in Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can turn on or turn off the firewall in Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, in the search icon or in the search bar, search for settings, and once you're on the settings, go to the privacy and security from this menu bar on your left hand side. Under privacy and security, you have to go to Windows security at the top, and under Windows security, now click on firewall and network protection. After you open it up, now click on public network. There you have this toggle that says Microsoft Defender firewall, which is turned on. Now to turn it off, you have to toggle off this option. Once you toggle it off, the firewall is now turned off. In order to toggle or in order to turn it on, you have to toggle on these options, and then the firewall will get turned on in your Windows 11. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.